I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but I've had steep falls. There's a reason why people love an underdog. Battles are won, they just show who you are. And in the end, you know I'm gonna get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes a king, had the sword to his neck. Just the story of, just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, who keeps rising up from any hole you dig, any hole you dig. They call me Triumphant. You're dealt a deck of cards, play 'em how you want. Playing in the dirt's how I learn. Keep reaching out, not counting on the ground, but I come out on top. Legend on the bone, they are formed, are rising up. And in the end, you know I'm gonna get mine. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon enough you're gonna watch me fly, saying there goes a king, have the sword to his neck. Just the story of, just the story of a comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up, who keeps rising up from any hole you dig, any hole you dig. They call me Triumphant. They call me Triumphant.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right there.
We try to love and love it. We try to love and go inside. To mesh love you we struggle. I feel like a danger when we survive. We can hold on the night, or wake up early and we go in time. To mesh love you we struggle. I feel like a danger when we survive. When we survive, we can